Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a mind map on ClickUp, to have a visual representation of your ideas. So come here, click on view, okay? First you select any of the projects lists, click on view here, scroll down and you'll see a mind map. So I'll go ahead and select this right here. And now this section opens, okay? You can go ahead and choose a structure. Of course, first let's name this mind map. Let's do my ideas. All right. Oops. That section went away. We can easily get that back. Click on settings. So go on again. We'll just change that. So my ideas. Perfect. And there you go. I'll go ahead and create a blank one just to show you. So this is the root node. So I'll name this brainstorming. Hopefully I spelled that right. There we go. And now we can go ahead and add some, let's say, idea one, for example, right? So, and then if you want to add another one, you can easily do that as well. You can easily zoom in and out. You can change colors. So if I click on this, right, I can change colors. So let's say this is a pink node. And you can add more. So idea two, for example, right there. Okay, you can easily move these around to help you visualize better. Zoom out as you see fit. You can change the colors for these as well. Okay, you can create subtasks for this as well. So let's say this is a task in a project one. You want to assign this task to, say, myself. And if you want, you can go ahead and add these fields. These are custom fields you can go ahead and add. I'll put the priority as, let's say, normal. You can set dates as well. Okay, let's say it's needed to start today. And you can create as such. Okay, so this one has been added to the project itself. So this was part of your brainstorming process. And once you're happy with the idea, you just create a task, okay, within your project. And it's really that easy and simple. So good luck.